Transforming a bathroom into a relaxing personal retreat starts with the perfect shower system. Modern luxury showers now combine elegant materials, smart temperature control, immersive rainfall coverage, and even digital displays for a truly premium experience. In this video, we are counting down 5 impressive luxury shower systems for 2026 that bring comfort, technology, and stunning design into your daily routine. Number 5. AITANA Digital Shower System. The AITANA Digital Shower System delivers a premium balance of elegant styling, practical functionality, and spa-inspired comfort. Built from high-quality gun-gray brass, this shower system instantly gives any bathroom a refined and modern appearance. The gun-gray finish feels sophisticated without becoming overly flashy, making it a great fit for contemporary homes. One of the standout features is the integrated digital temperature display. Instead of guessing water temperature every time you shower, the system clearly shows the temperature in real time, helping create a more comfortable and controlled experience. The dual-control hot and cold adjustment system also gives users precise control over water flow and temperature balance. The waterfall water outlet creates a calm and luxurious feeling that resembles natural flowing water. Combined with the oversized top spray, the shower feels immersive and relaxing from every angle. AITANA also includes multiple water outlet modes, allowing you to switch between gentle flow, pulse massage water, and handheld spray functions depending on your mood or preference. Another impressive feature is the honeycomb soft bubbler design. This technology helps soften the water flow while reducing splashing, making the shower experience smoother and gentler on the skin. The included spray gun also adds convenience for bathroom cleaning and quick rinsing tasks. Durability is another strong point here. The brass body and ceramic cartridge construction are designed for long-term reliability and resistance against corrosion. The electroplated surface treatment further improves both appearance and durability. Installation is also surprisingly manageable for a luxury system in this category. Everything needed for a complete bathroom upgrade is included, making it easier to create a high-end shower setup without major complications. Number 4. ETA Square Shower System. The ETA Square shower system combines intelligent technology, elegant aesthetics, and dependable performance into one luxurious bathroom centerpiece. Designed with premium gun-gray brass construction, this shower system feels durable, modern, and visually striking from the moment it is installed. Its sleek wall-mounted structure creates a clean and minimalist appearance that works beautifully in modern bathrooms. The standout visual feature is the LED digital display, which gives real-time temperature information while adding a futuristic touch to the overall design. It not only looks impressive but also makes shower adjustments easier and more accurate. One of the biggest highlights of the ETA system is its constant temperature technology. Sudden temperature fluctuations can completely ruin a relaxing shower, but this system is designed to maintain a steady and comfortable water temperature throughout the entire experience. That feature becomes especially useful for families or homes with changing water pressure conditions. The system also includes 3 primary shower functions. Users can easily switch between rainfall mode, waterfall mode, and handheld mode using the intelligent push-button controls. The large 16-inch top spray creates a full-body shower sensation that feels incredibly immersive and soothing after a long day. The multifunction handheld showerhead further expands flexibility. Whether you need a focused rinse, a softer spray, or easier cleaning access, the handheld option provides extra convenience without sacrificing luxury. Another advantage is the intelligent thermostat system powered through hydropower technology, meaning no external electricity connection is required for the display functions. This improves safety while maintaining modern smart features. The brass body construction with PVD wire drawing technology enhances durability and gives the system a premium finish that resists wear over time. Maintenance is also simplified because many components can be serviced without dismantling the wall installation. For homeowners seeking a stylish smart shower system with stable temperature control, immersive water coverage, and advanced functionality, the ETA NA Square shower system stands out as a strong luxury choice for 2026. Number 3. AITANA Brass Shower System. The AITANA Brass Shower System offers a striking combination of bold design, versatile functionality, and dependable construction. Featuring a luxurious black brass finish and sleek LED digital display, this shower system immediately creates a high-end atmosphere that upgrades almost any modern bathroom. Its square ceiling shower design delivers a clean architectural appearance while maximizing water coverage for a more immersive shower experience. The wall-mounted configuration keeps the setup organized and visually uncluttered, helping smaller and larger bathrooms feel more sophisticated. One of the key features is the dual-control hot and cold water system. This allows precise adjustments for water temperature and flow, giving users more control over comfort during every shower. The LED digital display further improves convenience by showing temperature information clearly and instantly. The 4-function ceiling shower system gives users several spray options depending on mood or preference. Whether you want a calming rainfall effect, a more concentrated spray, or a combination of functions, the system adapts easily for a personalized experience. Durability is another major advantage. Constructed from premium brass materials, the shower system is designed for long-term reliability and resistance against corrosion. The sturdy internal components help reduce leaks and maintain smooth operation over extended use. Unlike overly complicated smart systems, the AITANA Brass Shower System focuses on simplicity and reliability while still delivering a luxurious feel. The controls are intuitive and easy to use, making daily operation straightforward for every member of the household. The black brass finish also deserves attention because it adds a dramatic premium look without overwhelming the bathroom design. It pairs beautifully with marble, stone, glass, and modern tile surfaces. Number 2. Gestana Chrome Shower. The Gestana Chrome Shower System brings together advanced temperature control, immersive rainfall coverage, and practical everyday convenience in one highly modern package. With its polished chrome styling and intelligent digital features, this system feels both luxurious and futuristic at the same time. One of the first things that stands out is the real-time LED temperature display. The built-in hydropower system powers the display without requiring an external electrical connection, making the setup safer and easier to maintain. The display clearly shows current water temperature and usage information for better comfort and control during every shower. The thermostatic valve core is another major advantage. Designed around a stable 38-degree temperature control system, it helps prevent sudden hot or cold fluctuations that can interrupt relaxation or create discomfort. This anti-scald protection feature adds extra peace of mind, especially for families. Gestana also delivers excellent versatility with 3 spray modes. Users can switch between rainfall spray, waterfall outlet, and handheld spray depending on their preference. The large ceiling spray creates a wide water curtain effect that fully surrounds the body, creating a spa-inspired experience right at home. The adjustable handheld shower adds flexibility for targeted rinsing, easier cleaning, and improved accessibility. Independent one-touch controls also make switching between water outlets simple and responsive. Another standout detail is the Air Boost top spray technology. This design improves water pressure sensation while maintaining a softer and more comfortable flow against the skin. Combined with the chrome finish and sleek concealed shower design, the entire system feels premium and professionally designed. Number 1. Boenn MBG550H. Taking the top position on this list is the Boenn MBG550H, a truly extravagant luxury shower system designed to transform ordinary showers into a full sensory experience. This is far more than a standard rainfall shower setup. It combines water flow technology, intelligent controls, LED lighting, and integrated sound features into one remarkable centerpiece. The most eye-catching feature is the massive LED top shower head equipped with 64 adjustable light colors. The lighting system can completely change the mood of your bathroom, whether you want a calm spa atmosphere or a vibrant modern aesthetic. Users can control the lights through remote control, touch controls, or even mobile phone wireless connectivity. The integrated Bluetooth music system takes the experience even further. You can connect your phone directly to the shower system and play music while showering, creating a relaxing or energizing environment depending on your mood. Performance is equally impressive. The oversized shower head supports rainfall, mist, and waterfall spray modes, all of which can operate simultaneously for maximum immersion. The spin button allows users to adjust water flow intensity smoothly and precisely. The real-time temperature display keeps water conditions easy to monitor, while the hot and cold controls provide accurate adjustment during use. The system is also built using durable 304 stainless steel construction, helping ensure long-term durability and resistance against moisture damage. Another premium advantage is the certification support, including CE, IP67, QC, and UL standards, which adds confidence regarding safety and quality. The shower system is designed for homes with adequate water pressure, helping maintain strong and consistent performance across all functions. What truly separates the Boenn MBG550H from most competitors is the complete luxury atmosphere it creates. The combination of lighting effects, music integration, multiple water modes, and futuristic controls makes every shower feel like a private luxury spa session. For homeowners wanting the ultimate statement piece in a modern bathroom, the Boenn MBG550H stands out as one of the most advanced and luxurious shower systems available in 2026. That wraps up our countdown of the 5 best luxury shower systems for 2026. From elegant waterfall designs to smart LED displays and immersive rainfall experiences, these systems bring comfort and sophistication to a whole new level. Share your favorite in the comments, and subscribe for more modern home and luxury living inspiration.